Hey everybody, this is an unboxing of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the Casio ProTrek Pathfinder, PAG 240-1. And as with all my purchases, I bought this with my own money. I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there who's looking to buy the same item and just wants to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in. So this is the PAG 240-1 CR. I don't know what the CR stands for. Maybe the color notification or symbol for the color. A pretty thick instruction booklet with warranty card. And as with all the ProTreks, it's a nice wooden or particle board box. Give you a view of the card just so you can see some of the features of the watch, and then the watch itself. Sorry, they've got it tucked in here pretty good. So if you're watching this video, and you've seen my other videos, you know that I'm also wearing the Garmin Instinct Solar, and you might be wondering, well, why would you get this Casio if you've got the Garmin Instinct Solar? They had this watch on Prime Day for $99, and honestly, I just couldn't pass it up for that price. I don't think it's going to replace my Garmin Instinct Solar. The Solar does a lot more than this Casio. But I do kind of like the Casio in the sense that it's very rugged. It has most of the features that I use on my Garmin Instinct Solar. And it's not a smartwatch, so it doesn't have to connect to a phone, anything like that. It strictly runs off of solar battery, and it has its own built-in sensors, which I think is kind of cool. So I really bought it more so as a backup to my Garmin Instinct Solar. Very nice. People are asking about the bezel. It's pretty, this bezel ring is pretty tight. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing. I hope that helps. Once I go through it and get it figured out, maybe I'll do some videos of how the controls work.